So there are a lot of tech companies which are very what we call industrial based, and be it tech companies like the oil and gas companies, tech companies like the electricity companies that deliver electricity, so generate electricity and deliver electricity. And I traditionally call them tech industrial companies where they use tech to actually create value. But all these companies, as a result of the acceleration of net zero, as a result of sustainability, all of them have to pivot. All of them have to undergo this whole big journey of what we call energy transition from the brown energy to the green energy. And a lot of these companies struggle with developing talent and cultural transformation in this aspect. And one of the key things that we spend a lot of time as a team we talk about is this whole concept of ambidextrous leadership. That means the ability to write with the right and the left hand, but the ability to both optimize and improve, but at the same time, not only are you exploiting current resources, but you are exploring the new world of the art of the possible in the way you think about reinvention and creation. And there are a couple of really big examples, especially in Southeast Asia. A lot of the oil and gas companies and the electricity and energy companies are all now beginning to pivot from traditionally what they do as technology companies delivering value through the products they build, whether it's oil and gas or fossil fuel world or energy, to now wanting to be smart infrastructure companies, to wanting to be smart city platform companies, wanting to be renewable companies. And I think when we were spending time with this company, you are beginning to see the shift of really flexing the muscle of ambidextrous leadership in this field.